Okay, so this will be probably a quick video. If you are still running Windows that has to do with CMD, that we have to run a few commands that I highly suggest you actually keep them around just to make sure that everything runs smooth. So let's get into it. And we'll start with the first command, which is called smart, that does the self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting. And the command itself is very easy. It's right here. I will leave them on the description, all these commands one by one, just so you can actually have it easier to copy and paste. And this one is wmic diskdrive get model comma status. Hit yes, and it will check you whether drives and all that stuff, if they're okay, if their status is okay, or if there's a problem with any of the drives. In my case, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drives are okay and doing good. And let's go to the DISM tool, which is to repair the image in Windows 10 at least. I'm not sure if it's the same for Windows 11. I'm not gonna just talk on it if I don't know. But this one is, you know, quite an easy one. That's DISM space /forward online space /forward cleanup dash image space again /forward CheckHealth, and hit OK. And we have an error. We have to elevate permission or run CMD as administrator. We're going to do that really quick. And to do that, just as you saw here, type CMD on search, right click and run it as administrator. That's it. And then we rerun this image command again to check the health of our Windows 10 image in this case. It should be good. And it starts with a deployment image version versus the image version now. And it has no component store corruption detected, which is great. And then we have the next command, which is the ScanHealth options. It's similar, except this one, instead of checking, it actually scans completely for a healthy image. And it is almost the same, the DISM online cleanup image, except in the end you go ScanHealth and hit OK. This one usually takes a little bit longer than the other commands, because it actually checks your version versus the online version and updates and fixes what it needs in case there's a need for updates and repairs. So you just let this run to the end and it will show you what it did and what it did not in just a minute or two. And of course, the durability, the time that it will take to actually finish this process, it depends on your internet and the image version on your computer. It shouldn't take more than, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. But if it takes longer, just don't freak out. Let it finish its thing. Don't just disconnect it or click X or anything on the middle of it scanning. So just be patient with it. It's almost done. And then you'll be ready to jump to the next command that we have here in store. Okay, as you see, boom, no component store corruption detected, and the operation completed successfully. It didn't take that long, few minutes. And at least we know it's all working good. And the next is the RestoreHealth option. So let me copy this one. It's almost exactly the same, except it ends up with RestoreHealth. And we'll hit OK just to see what it does. And it will do that percentage thingy again, just to make sure that we have everything running to the latest. And we'll get right back when it's 100% sharp. Okay, the operation completed successfully, and we don't have any problems here at all going on. I know I don't have any problems, but just to make sure. And we have the system file check. This is almost at the end of the video now, and this is called SFC scan or system file check scan, and it is very easy. System 32. SFC, scan now, and that's pretty much it. And it will scan the entire system. This, as it says there, it might take some time, which is normal because it's scanning the entire system and verifying that everything that we have in our system corresponds to the correct files and databases that should be. So just wait for this percentage here to go 100%. and we will be right back. And boom, this one is done too. And it says Windows resource protection did not find any integrity violation, because I know it doesn't have any. And the last one will be the verification. That's all of the system file checking. We will just make sure that the file system we have is what it should be. It's kind of similar to the last one that we scanned, but it kind of compares it against the online database and all that good stuff. And it should be fine. There should be no problems, because of course I run these periodically sometimes when I don't forget. And just make sure everything is running as smooth as possible. It doesn't always happen, but you know, when it happens to be smooth, it's smooth. And with that said, I just hope you learned something from this video. I will leave all these commands down on the description below. As I said, these were run on a Windows 10 64-bit, just so you understand what's going on. And as you see right there, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, because I know there's no integrity violations going on right now. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Otherwise, well, still thank you for hanging around. Bye!